Right, hello everyone. Got here a Whitestone Dome glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Note9. I've never used one like this before, so I'm going to try and install it on the Note9 that we had received recently, currently in a very ultra slim case from Tozo. I'm just going to install it and see how it goes. There's the super flexible thin case for the Tozo, $8.99 off Amazon, top buy. So I've got quite a few little bits in here: cleaning cloth, some foam things, a spudger, dust removal stickers, alcohol swabs, and then we've got this installation tray with some speaker stickers, and then inside the tray we've got the actual hard glass screen protector, and then a specialised installation tray. That's where the phone is going to sit. So the first thing we're going to do is wipe down the phone with an alcohol swab. Get off all the grimy bits. And we also need to put a speaker sticker and then you put the absorption pads in there. So at this point, once you've got it in there with the dust adhesion stickers, once you've got it in there with the absorption pads and the top lid on, you need to get any dust off with any dust removal stickers. So it says put the pin in the top of the tray and place the bridge over like so. And then you're going to take one of the adhesive tubes, open it up, and then press it over there. So at the moment the adhesive is still being held in until you open up this top screw bit. So now we're going to release the adhesive. You can see a giant splodge has come out. Then we're going to take the glass screen protector and remove number 2 And then we're going to place it in the bottom and drop it down so it's sitting on this pin here. Okay, so there we are, it's in the base and it's diagonally pressed up against this pin here. So now we need to tilt the bottom of the tray down here to get this adhesive to slide into the middle of the display. Okay, and then remove the pin. And we're just going to wait for that to all head out to the edges. And I've literally just been doing this, following the instructions as I'm recording this video. So this is a complicated process, but I'm just doing it step by step as the instructions say. Once the 80 seconds is up, there is a UV applicator. Get this UV applicator that has some UV lights in it that are going to cure the adhesive inside. So we'll be putting it over it with it powered on to cure the glue that's just gone on the screen. Primary curing process, it says to do 15 seconds for the top part. And then we're going to do 15 seconds for the bottom part. And this is just the primary curing process. So now we remove the absorption pads and the speaker tape. And then what we need to do is we need to remove it from the case and then wipe around the edges with an alcohol thing to get any excess glue off the edges. So this is about 60 seconds for the top, and then you're going to do 60 seconds for the bottom. Okay, so there you are. A final, I don't know if we can quite see how close to the edge it goes. Very close to the edge, very snug fit. No bubbles, and all from just following the instructions literally as I read it on this video. Hopefully it'll fit nicely and it's case friendly. Yeah, no issues there whatsoever. It's a Galaxy Note9 in a nice little Tozo case. And that's the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector. It's about £35 on Amazon UK, and I'll put a link in the description below. Cheers for watching.